Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a deep frying pan by a company called Vinchef. This is the box that it comes in. Once you open it up, all you have to do is attach the handle, which just uses a simple screwdriver, includes all the hardware, obviously. It's going to come with a little pamphlet here that's going to tell you how to basically take care of it, the do's and don'ts of it. Pretty straightforward. So let's go over the pan itself. So one of the reasons I absolutely love this is due to its size, but first off, the lid, it has a nice silicone rim around the glass, and then obviously it has a nice silicone handle at the top here, which makes it easy to pick up so you don't hit yourself on the hot glass. But it does have a nice seal around it, which is really nice because of this silicone. So basically all that's exposed are the little pour spouts on either side. And then we got the pan itself. So why I love this thing is, I've mentioned the size. It is perfect for just when you're doing large dishes or if you're deep frying something. But it gives you an idea of the size. When you stir stuff, it doesn't go spilling onto your cooktop, which is nice because this is about 3 inches in height. Now, this is a 13-inch diameter pan, to give you an idea. And then the handle itself is about 7 inches. Now, the handle is all made out of a kind of soft silicone material. It does have a hole up at the top, so you can hang it if you choose to do that. On the back side, it has little kind of divots for your fingers. And then it has a little cool feature. There's this little like red silicone part that's touching the pan. That actually changes colors depending on how hot the pan gets. So when it gets to 350 degrees, it will be a completely different color. Now, I don't always use that, but it's a nice visual cue depending on what I'm cooking. As far as cooking, on the other side, you'll notice that it has a nice thick metal plate down here in the bottom. This thing is perfect for all kinds of ranges. So whether you have an electric range, a gas range, an induction range, you're going to be good on all those different types of ranges. And it heats up very evenly and very quickly, which is another thing I like about it. As far as the material, it is all made out of a cast aluminum with a ceramic coating on it that is non-stick. So non-stick works really, really well. Have no problems cleaning it up when we're washing it. I do typically hand wash all my pots and pans just out of habit. But yeah, overall, it is a great pan set. So if you are in the market and you are looking for a basically a non-stick, great deep fat frying pan, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.